Hey, Chris Young here. Today, I want to take you on a tour of a fantastic line of laminate travel trailers, the Heartland Mallards. The lightweight Mallard comes in a nice variety of floor plans, so strap it down and follow along. In terms of length and weight, the Mallards run a large swath. Their length is from just under 22 feet all the way up to nearly 40 feet. For the dry/unloaded weight, you'll find them from just over 3,600 pounds up to nearly 8,900 pounds. Family-oriented, the Mallard line consists of mostly bunkhouse floor plans, so I'm going to hit those first. And first up, we have the M180BH. This single-axle bunkhouse manages to efficiently place double-over-double bunks, a convertible dinette, and a versatile Murphy bed so it can sleep up to 7. You'll also find a straight-line kitchen, a very nice-sized bath, and an outside kitchen. Next up is the single-axle M185. Now the M185 manages to efficiently create enough sleeping space to accommodate 5 people. It has a pair of twin bunks, convertible dinette, and a corner camper queen. What bunkhouse do we have up next? Why, it's going to be the beautiful M230. This one's only available on the West Coast. The M230 has its double-over-double bunks in a rear corner. A nice sized wardrobe area sits between them and the dinette. Across from the wardrobe area sits a sizable pantry aligned with the straight line kitchen. What's cool in the M230 is the multi-purpose Murphy bed. It's centered right there along the front wall. You can use it as a sofa during the day and a bed at night. The M230 also has the benefit of having an outside kitchen. Next up, we have a brand new bunkhouse floor plan, the M251BH. Brand spanking new, this bunkhouse has your classic double-over-double bunks in the back. A slide pulls out the U-shaped dinette and fridge with the fridge across from the L-shaped kitchen. At the entry door, you'll find a walk-in pantry. The bedroom has a solid pocket door to give you some privacy as well. Coming right after the M251BH is the Mallard Bunkhouse M26. Now, this beauty has a large living area slide pulling out the convertible dinette and trifold sofa to make room for that L-shaped kitchen. An entertainment center is centered in the living area abutting the bedroom. Along with the dual solid pocket doors, this setup allows for complete main bedroom privacy. The M26 also comes with the convenience of that outside kitchen. Moving up the line, we come to the big boy bunkhouses, the M312 and the M32. Both have 2 entrances as well as an outside kitchen. The M312 has double-over-double bunks on the off-camp side corner, creating space for the second entry to go directly into the bathroom. The M312 has a single slide in the living area to pull out the trifold sofa and U-shaped dinette. A trifold sofa sits across from an impressive entertainment center, which sits beside that L-shaped kitchen. The main bedroom is separated from the living area by a solid pocket door. So what do you say now we head on over to the M32? The M32 is a bunkhouse floor plan with bunks in the rear. A sofa with a bunk sits above it in the slide across from a twin bunk on top of an entertainment center. The second entry goes straight into the bathroom. A second slide on the off-camp side in the living area houses the U-shaped dinette and trifold sofa. Up front, you'll find an entertainment center acting as a wall to separate the main bedroom from the rest of the M32. So now we're going to move on to the rear living floor plans. Up first is the all-new M210RB. This model opens up to the fridge on the left side of the entry and leads into the straight line kitchen. There's a nice rear bath on the back wall and a single slide out containing the sofa. Up front, you'll find a camper queen bed. Next in the rear bath lineup is the M260. The M260 has an extremely large rear bath on its back wall, large enough to include a full-size shower, linen shelves, and a vanity area. The M260 is also loved by camp chefs, for it brings to the table a large pantry to go along with a spacious L-shaped kitchen. A single slide model, the M260's living area slide pulls out the dinette and the trifold sofa. Next is the first of our two rear kitchen models, the Mallard M25. The M25 has two entrances. Up front, you'll find a private entry into the bedroom that also has a solid door. The second entry is in the rear of the M25, opening up to the kitchen, dominating that rear wall. L-shaped, this kitchen sports a lot of countertop space with additional countertop space under the living area TV on the right side of the entry door. To open up the living area, the M25 has a single slide containing the dinette and trifold sofa. The second of the rear kitchen models is the M301. While just having a single entry, this Mallard has dramatically expanded the kitchen by elongating the counter space so it's nearly 10 feet along the campside wall and runs right into more counter where the living room TV is situated. The M301's kitchen also has a good-sized pantry. A single slide contains the dinette and trifold sofa, and an additional sofa abuts the bathroom. Up front, we have a private bedroom with its own enclosed wardrobe closet. The M301 also features that beautiful outside kitchen. The final pair of Mallard floor plans, the M27 and the M335, are all rear living. The M27 has two entry doors. One, a private entry into a spacious main bedroom. The second is located in the back and opens to a suite set of swivel rockers and the rest of the living area. A single slide pulls out the booth dinette as well as the trifold sofa. Across from the slide out sits the L-shaped kitchen sitting side by side with the bathroom. Up front, the bedroom has nice walk-around space. The final rear living floor plan, the M335, is the largest Mallard. The M335 has opposing slides in the living area to accommodate a convenient kitchen island. One slide pulls out the theater seats and a freestanding dinette. Opposite, you'll find the major kitchen appliances and the entertainment center embedded in a slide. The back wall holds the trifold sofa. The M335 is long enough that it creates a hallway from the living area to the main bedroom. Now, this bedroom has the third slide and it holds a king-size bed. The bedroom also has private pocket door access to the walk-through bathroom. The front cap holds an unbelievably large wardrobe closet with washer-dryer hookup. If you're looking for features that are normally not found in a travel trailer at an entry-level price, Mallards certainly have them. Inside, you're going to find that a majority of the Mallards have a convenient central vac system that's capable of reaching far corners of any of the floor plans. Mallards also have ducted AC with a 13,500 BTU unit and an 82-inch arched ceiling, forced air heat, and enclosed underbelly. And a majority also have a king-size bed. A Mallard kitchen contains a deep bowl kitchen sink, pull-out kitchen faucet, and a double-door fridge. On the Mallard exterior, you'll be happy to see that most Mallards have power stabilizer jacks, power awning with LED lighting, and finished pass-through storage. If you're new to an RV or you're an experienced RVer, I'm confident you're going to love the amenities that a Heartland Mallard laminate travel trailer provides that are outstanding in their class. And you can find the right one for you and your camping family.